Hello, Mascot World Runners. So I'm from DIGISOLE. Just introduce you to the brand new product, Run Profiler. So it's insole designed for runners and sport enthusiasts generally. So I will show you quickly how it works. So this is the insoles. So with Bluetooth connectivity, you connect to your phone, and with the app that you download, you can follow up and track your activity and your performance. I will show you how it's done. So here is all my activity. So you have your historic activity. So it's all the run I made with my DIGISOLE. So let's click on this one. So as you can see here, so it's in French, but you also have it in English. So you can see clearly here the number of steps that you walked, and the sensors are directly incorporated in the insoles. So that means that every step you made, the steps is count. So it's very precise and very accurate. You also have the calorie burn, so during the exercise, and your pace. You also have, you can see here, so how many kilometers you walked, and you also have here in colors. So in orange, it's the warm-up period, then your fully performance period, and in red, it's the period where you are tired. So this is the first basis software is developed. Here you can see the map. But what is more important, what is the best thing about this insole is you can analyze your run, your movement, and your steps. So I will just analyze my run. As you can see here, you can see, so niveau de propulsion, it's the propulsion levels. Propulsion levels is the energy that you generate when you leave the floor. So the power that you make when you leave the floor and when you make steps to run. As you can see here, mine is pretty high, which is pretty good. This is the ratio when your feet is on the air, which is very useful for runners, so you can see if maybe his feet is too many times in the air, or at the opposite, if it's not in the air at all. So you can adjust his way to move, and he can improve his performance like that. We also, as you can see here, so the nature of his, how does his foot strike the floor. It's very
how
important
your
for runners.
foot is touching the floor.
Exactly.
That is how it also measures.
Exactly. Right? As you can see, for good runners, normally they have to strike with the front of the feet. Actually, me, I'm not a very good runner, so as you can see, I strike with the bottom of my feet and with my heel. So with that information, I can try to improve it. And thanks to our software and our software development, after the run, it gives you small advice about what you can improve about your performance with all the data that we just show you. We also can see and we can also prevent of injury. As you can see here, you can see the stability of your foot. You know, when you're running, sometimes you're tired and you cannot feel it, but our DIGISOLE with our movement sensors inside can feel some small movements that can cause injuries. As you can see here, mine was pretty stable. And my force of impact, so the force I made when I struck the floor, was pretty average. So my risk of injury was pretty low. So we distinct muscular injuries, because muscular and also articular injuries are two different injuries from two different types of movements. So as you can see with our app, we can clearly see that it can help you to improve your performance, but also to prevent you from injuries and prevent for many